So if I have event E, which is rolling a 1 or a 2, event F, which is rolling a 5, event G, which is rolling an even number, and event H, which is rolling an odd number. If I wanted to find the intersection of set E and F, it does not exist. Why? Because set E is rolling the event that you roll a 1 or a 2, and set F is the event that you roll a 5. They don't have anything in common. You either roll a 1 or a 2 or you roll a 5. So that's why this is equal to the null set. These two sets would be disjoint because they don't have anything in common. See? Very simple. Set F is rolling a 5. Event F, is rolling a 5, and event G is rolling an even number. Well, 5 is odd, so they don't have anything in common. So the intersection of event F and event G, or if I want to say set F and set G, would also be the null set, and these would be disjoint sets. E and H. E intersect. Intersect means and. So it would have to exist in both these events. E is the event that I roll a 1 and a 2, or 1 or a 2, H is the event that I roll a 1, 3, and 5. Well, the intersection of those two, what elements do they have in common, is rolling a 1. That's why that's the set 1. Easy? Okay, E union F. So either I roll a 1 or a 2, or I roll a 5. When I union those events together, I get 1, 2, and 5. So see, union means one or the other or both, and intersection means it has to happen in both of them in order for them to exist in the set. Again, leave any questions that you have. I'm trying to make it very plain here. F union G. F is rolling the event that you roll a 5. G is the event that you roll an even number. Since it's the union, one or the other or both, then that becomes the set 2, 4, 5, and 6. Because I can do one or the other. I can roll a 5 or I can roll an even number. And then G or H. That ends up being matches the sample space, right? G is rolling an even number, or you roll an odd number, which is event H. And so when I union those two events, I get 1 through 6, which matches the sample space, which again, that means that this event is for certain because it matches. It's going to happen.